Is your car showing a key not in vehicle message, even though the key fob is inside? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix and reset it in just a few easy steps. This guide works for most cars, including Toyota, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Kia, BMW, and more. Step 1. Hold the key fob directly against the start button or steering column. Many vehicles have a hidden backup sensor there to detect the key. Step 2. Replace the key fob battery. Most key fobs use a CR2032 battery. It's cheap and easy to change. A weak battery is one of the most common reasons for this warning. Step 3. Check your surroundings. Phones, laptops, metal objects, or even another key fob can block the signal. Move them away from your key. Step 4. Try using a second key, if you have one. If the second key works, your original fob might be faulty. If you're still getting the warning, try this. Disconnect your car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the system. Or, use an OBD2 scanner to clear any keyless entry or immobilizer fault codes. Don't have these tools? You can find the ones I personally recommend tagged below this video in the product section. They're reliable and work for most cars. If the issue continues, the problem could be with your key detection module, antenna coil, or body control unit. In that case, you may need professional diagnosis or dealership support. And that's how to fix the key not in vehicle or key not detected warning in just a few steps. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more dashboard warning light fixes.